Era and Posada Natura are sister organizations dedicated to enhancing the interrelationship between restoring the earth and awakening the human spirit. Era is a USA and Costa Rican nonprofit that was initiated in Costa Rica in 1991 with the commitment of a few individuals to take an active stand against deforestation. With the acquisition of large tracts of rainforest in the Era mountain range near Costa Rica's Central Pacific coast, Era began with a commitment of honoring the inherent value of the natural world. Through the creation of a private rainforest reserve and the implementation of restoration techniques to create biological corridors, Era is a pioneer in conservation. Posada Natura was obtained in 2001 and serves as the entry point to the Era Reserve, as well as a beautiful riverfront retreat center offering a unique location for environmental, educational, and healing arts activities. Since the inception of Era, the mission has expanded from focusing solely on rainforest preservation in Costa Rica to including broader social and environmental considerations that reflect the most pressing challenges of the 21st century. With this in mind, the mission of Era is threefold. Foremost, to conserve, protect, and restore biodiversity through education, research, and restorative land management practices. Secondly, to support the revitalization of traditional knowledge and indigenous cultures that recognize the interdependence of human and environmental health, and to create an environment and provide opportunities that inspire appreciation for one's personal connection to the outside world and everything in the web of life. As an organization, we feel the answers to many social, economic, and environmental issues that plague modern society can be found by tuning into the wisdom of simplicity and the principle of interconnection. The practical implications of this reflect from the macrocosm of how we interact with land to the microcosm of how we understand and target our personal health and well-being. Thus, the focus of our programs within Era and Posada Natura Retreat Center is to serve as a platform for these principles to infuse into the lives of everyone who participates. Posada Natura, meaning place of nature and the nature of the beautiful rainforest, is located on 3 acres along the beautiful Naranjo River in the small town of Londres, Costa Rica. Londres is a quaint town just 15 minutes from the bustling tourist havens of Quepos and Manuel Antonio National Park. The area is known for its unique biodiversity, protected watersheds with freshwater rivers, and proximity to the stunning Central Pacific coastline. Remarkably, the entry point to the Era Reserve is just 2 miles up the road from Posada Natura and the captivating Era Mountain, reaching an elevation of 3,500 feet. Posada Natura is complete with 4 villas, a multimedia-equipped main pavilion, and an outdoor restaurant with a commercial kitchen. On the 2nd floor of the pavilion, suspended in the tree canopy, groups enjoy a multi-purpose yoga, movement, and ceremony space overlooking the river. Additional features include a saltwater pool and jacuzzi, 2 smaller yoga and meditation decks, and native and edible landscaping dispersed throughout beautiful gardens. Time at Posada Natura provides all the elements for a very memorable experience. From Posada Natura, one can expect to have an equally exciting time in the Era Reserve, a hotbed for biodiversity. The reserve has 10 kilometers of hiking trails ranging from 800 to 3,500 feet above sea level, 3 types of forests, 3 major rivers, the watershed that provides drinking water to the town of Londres, and a breathtaking 220-foot waterfall. It also has unique geological features from the Oligocene era, confirmed pre-Columbian remnants from the Capo Indians, and a large presence of endemic species and little-known rare species. One of the major efforts that EcoEra has initiated over the last 2 years has been working with a team of renowned Costa Rican scientists to catalog all biological, archaeological, and geological aspects of the reserve. On behalf of EcoEra and Posada Natura, we invite you to join us in supporting the spirit of life in this crucial time on our planet. A visit to Posada Natura and your contribution to EcoEra make it possible for the seeds we've planted to continue to grow and thrive into the future.
Thank you.